Welcome once more to the channel. On your screens we are looking at the stock price of Redbox Entertainment Inc. and today the stock is down 7.38%, trading at $4.08. Yesterday the stock closed at $4.41. Today it opened at $4.34. Since then, the stock has lost value and is now trading at $4.08. The 52-week range for Redbox Entertainment Inc. is from $1.61 all the way up to $27.22. Today's volume is very low at just 1.6 million shares that have exchanged hands, compared to an average volume of 23 million. We have 1 hour 56 minutes to the closing bell, and the market capitalization of Redbox Entertainment right now sits at 188.93 million US dollars. So not much PR coming from Redbox, but all what we see is that the stock has just been declining in value in an almost predictable fashion. Over the past 1 month, you can see that the stock has lost more than 50%, almost 60-70% of its value. Over the past 6 months, however, the stock hasn't really lost that much, because to begin with, about 6 months ago, in January, the stock was trading at about $5.38. However, the stock ran up from there until it got to about $15.27 on that would be around June 13th, 2022, and from there it has just slowly and steadily declined. So very difficult to tell what exactly is going to happen with Redbox Entertainment Inc. There is the Chicken Food for the Soul entertainment company that was interested in acquiring Redbox Entertainment Inc. sometime in the past, but we haven't had any substantive updates since then. So we are still kind of in a limbo, and we don't know exactly the fate that the managers of Redbox Entertainment have for the company. If you are invested in the company though, be careful and keep an eye on your investment, because you don't want to wake up one day and find out that the company is into bankruptcy proceedings. Everything now is digital, but there is still a place for Redbox Entertainment. If you see any of their boxes, around the CVS, Walgreens, pharmacies, and so on, hang out there for about 10-15 minutes, and you'll definitely see people coming there to get Blu-ray discs and DVDs. It's incredible. Yeah, people still do that. And so the business model is still viable, and who knows, tomorrow they might convert the boxes to start selling something else. And yeah, so that's where we're sitting at with Redbox Entertainment Inc. today, down 7.46% and trading at $4.08. Thank you for your time, and please consider subscribing to the channel on your way out. I will catch you guys on the next video. Bye now.